Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the lowest priced smartphone which can actually support the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of comments on this particular topic that which is lowest powered smartphone which can actually support by default 90 FPS without using any kind of config file. That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. So let me explain friends. The first phone which I did select which is Mi10T which actually supports the 90 FPS by default, and this is a renewed phone which I'm trying to recommend for all of the users. I think in case if you're willing to buy, you can actually buy on the renewed smartphone. And the main reason is because I did use this phone personally friends, which is a renewed product as well. Right now by default I was able to play exactly 90 FPS without any kind of much issues, as you can clearly see, which is pretty smooth and very good overall in my experience. I can definitely say that. As you can see friends, overall my experience is really good playing with this Mi10T device, which is fantastic. So I'll try to show you the default settings and what is the exact phone from where did I order. As you can see, default settings is 90 FPS. That's kind of really good. And this is a Mi10T with a Snapdragon 888 processor, which I'll definitely recommend for a lot of other users as well, in case they are looking to buy the smartphone with the lowest priced, which can actually support by default 90 FPS. The price of this phone comes around 22,000 rupees. As you can see friends, you may think 22,000 rupees is too much for the renewed smartphone, but if you try to look at the specifications and all the details, you can see my recently purchased as well, 24th of November. So it's been kind of close to 1 month of usage with this device as well anyway. So for 22,000 rupees, you're getting a few things. For example, high refresh rate and really good stable processor, which is a Snapdragon 865 processor. And next thing, really good high battery backup. Not only that, by default 90 FPS gameplay in the Battlegrounds mobile game, as you can see friends clearly. And this seller has got really very good rating as well regarding the product of the Mi10T. And I'll try to leave the comment in the description as well. I mean, I'll try to pin the comment for exactly this seller's link where you can actually buy it, and which this is exactly 8GB RAM model and 128GB storage, and this exact same phone which I am right now. So that's the reason friends, after using this phone for myself after close to 1 month only, I'm trying to recommend you guys, in case if you're looking to buy low budget or 90 FPS supporting mobile phone, then this can be your option, which is a Mi10T device. So don't worry, I'll try to do the complete full review after using 1 month of usage very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested for those type of experience of this phone as well. Very soon I'll try to upload the complete review. But overall, if you want low budget mobile phone with the 90 FPS support, then this is your option, which is the Mi10T. Overall, regarding the gameplay performance, it's fantastic friends. As you can see, 90 FPS, it can actually maintain really good stable as well, apart from MIUI kind of issues and bugs. But still, this really fantastic device. I did enjoy using this smartphone Mi10T when compared with other devices. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out the playlist for more details as well on the Mi10T, which might be pretty useful for a lot of other users who are actually looking to buy this device. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. And one more final note, apart from this Mi10T, there is other phone which is a Realme X Max, which can actually support the 90 FPS by default, but the Realme UI will not allow you to play at 90 FPS. It kind of restricted to only 60 FPS and 70 FPS depending upon the different security patch updates you are in. So that's kind of restriction the Realme X Max has got, which you should be knowing. So which makes the Mi10T the clear winner for this kind of price, lowest priced, and the Snapdragon 865 processor with the 90 FPS support by default. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.